Good day, everyone. We are from SBECA3A, and we're gonna be presenting our research titled DIY Mini DC Motor Powered Wind and Hydro Generators for Urban Agriculture Use. So, um, the summary urban farming is a promising solution for food security in cities, but it faces major challenges. And one of the most pressing issues is the high cost and limited availability of electricity, which often relies on fossil fuels. This dependence increases operational costs, reduces productivity, and also harms the environment. So, our research tackles this problem by exploring renewable energy solutions using DC motors. These motors are essential in converting electrical energy into mechanical energy and are highly efficient for applications like powering irrigation systems that we are focusing on. So, this research seeks to provide a cost effective, sustainable energy source for urban agriculture. Next.
Ako na.
Hmm.
Next slide. So, my name is Joshua M. Castillo. Now, let's talk about our proposed solution. So, our idea is a small-scale DIY renewable energy system powered by wind and hydro generators using DC motors. It taps into natural wind and water flows to produce sustainable energy,
Wait lang.
which is
Sige
then
lang, tuloy
stored
mo.
in batteries. Sige, yung pang third slide. Which is stored in batteries. So this energy can be used to power essential farming operations like irrigation systems. So our objectives systems provide an affordable and scalable option for urban farmers and reduce dependency on traditional power grids while promoting sustainability. So in short, this system is not just practical but also eco-friendly, offering urban farmers a better alternative to meet their energy needs while supporting a better future. Next person. Lods, ikaw na Lods. Mike, pero
Nakamute ka.
Nga pala, ayun again, Lods. My name is Romar B. Perer. I'm reporting block diagram and shows energy flow from turbines to storage output. Next, Lods. Um, Solution. In this part, mm, includes the system innovation features includes wind energy turbines, capture wind flows to generate mechanical energy, hydro energy, water wheels, convert kinetic energy from water flow into electricity. DC motor converts mechanical energy to electrical energy, stored in rechargeable batteries. Controller system regulates and distributes power efficient. Next loads.
So these are illustration of the prototype. So this project demonstrates how renewable energy can transform urban farming by supporting environmental conservation and energy independence. It offers a scalable model that can be replicated in urban areas worldwide. So these are the design of the prototype, which is testing focus on assessing the system's ability to generate sufficient energy to power systems under real-world conditions. Field tests were conducted in environments with varying wind speeds and water flow rates to evaluate energy output consistency and also reliability. So these are block diagram shows the energy flow in the do-it-yourself mini DC motor powered wind and hydro generator system. The wind and hydro turbines generate power which is regulated by a charge controller and stored in a battery. Lastly, these are pictorial diagram represents a hybrid renewable energy system
Guys,
that
nyo.
designed to power lights and equipment in an urban farming setup. And wind and water turbines generate
Ikaw na dyan.
electricity which flows to the charge controller. So thank you for your attention, everyone. We look forward to inspiring more projects in renewable energy and urban agriculture. Thank you for listening and stay safe.
So, to summarize the system provides a cost-effective and sustainable energy source for urban agriculture. It uses DIY methods, making it accessible to small-scale farmers by reducing reliance on traditional grids. It fosters eco-friendly farming practices with modular and durable design. The system ensures adaptability and reliability for various urban farming setups. This project is a step towards empowering urban farmers with renewable energy solutions. So that's all for our research presentation. Thank you.